Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today we have with us a unique gadget from Xiaomi and it's the Xiaomi Pocket AR printer. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and we'll see how it performs. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of the printer and here we have some features such as you can print AR and sound photos. You can use this pocket printer with both Android and iOS devices and this printer works on Zinc technology which is zero ink. So let's open the box and see the content now. So on the top we have the printer itself. This printer is indeed very small and almost very similar to a size of a compact power bank. We will look at the printer in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user manual which is in Chinese. And then you get these complimentary 5 3-inch zinc sheets. You can also purchase more and they come in the quantity of 10, 20 and 50. And then here we have the micro USB charging cable to charge the pocket printer. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the device closely. Xiaomi Pocket Printer is compact and comparatively smaller than the other Xiaomi photo printers. The build quality is as usual top notch. In terms of size, even though it's called Pocket Printer, but honestly speaking, it's a bit big for pocket. You can keep this printer in your backpack and print on the go. In terms of overview, as it's a pocket printer, so it comes with a battery and connects with your phone via Bluetooth. So here you can see the Bluetooth LED light and the battery light. And then here we have the power button and in the middle we have the micro USB charging port. On this side of the printer we have the slot from where you will receive the printed sheets. Now to load the papers, you would need to slide the top case like this and then insert the papers. You also get this orange calibration sheet which you would need to place it first. Pairing the device is really simple and you need the Mi Home app, but you would need to change the region in the app to China. So our printer is paired and here is the menu. And about the printing, you can do a normal printing or AR printing. Let me show you the normal printing first. And guys, do not expect studio-like results with this printer as it's just a pocket printer. So in order to print, you would need to select a photo from your gallery. You can also edit your photo right from the app. And here you can choose different filters and also make changes to the photo such as brightness, contrast, etc. For the very first time, your printer will calibrate and it will take out the orange sheet which we have placed with the papers. And now it will start printing. The printer makes slight noise when you print, but the overall printing time is very less. As there is no ink, this printer uses a zinc paper which has color dye based crystal embedded in the paper, and the printhead uses heat to activate different colors. Now let me print couple of more photos. You can clearly see that the colors are not same as the photo, and I feel the colors are a bit washed out and you have a more cooler tone in the printouts. But for the convenient, the quality is decent and you can easily print anything anywhere. This pocket printer is also an AR printer, which means you can also print your videos or add voice to your photos. So you can select a 15-second video in the app and then choose the cover image. It takes some time to load the image to the server and then print. And now we have this photo which you can see in AR. In the app you have a scanner. Now when you scan this photo, you will see a short clip with the audio.
Guys, I'm in front of the Xiaomi store here in Shenzhen.
Amazing, isn't it? Apart from the time to print this AR photo, I'm really impressed with the results and maybe this could be the future of printed photos. One thing I forgot to mention that you can also print in grids and now you can easily print those passport size photos at home when you need them urgently. So overall Xiaomi Pocket AR printer is a unique gadget. It's compact, portable and does the job pretty good. I bought this printer from Xiaomi store in China and it was around 3000 rupees. And for papers, you'll have to pay another 500 rupees for 20 pack. So the printing cost is around 20 to 25 rupees, which is not cheap as compared to your regular printer. But on-the-go printing makes it unique and a helpful gadget. And we wish Xiaomi could launch this printer in India very soon. And guys, if you like this printer and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Pocket AR printer. Let us know if you like it and also do tell us if you would buy this printer in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.